this to work, the first thing you need to do is to practice a lot of patience in your trading. The second thing will be to treat your support. This line here will be our support, and this will be our resistance. You need to treat the both as a zone. Now, this video will be split into two parts. I'm going to give you a condition to trade on your support, a condition to trade on your resistance, and a condition to trade in between your support and your resistance. Now, let's assume price has been moving in series of lower low, lower high, lower low. Now, you're already on a support right here, okay? You're already on the support. So if you're using this normal break and retest strategy, so this is a change of structure. This will be a change of structure. Okay, this will be a change of structure. So on this particular place here, you're permitted to use whatever strategy you use for your entry. If you're using candlestick for your entry, go ahead and use it. If you're using a chart pattern for your entry, go ahead. There are high chances this trade is going to work out. Let's assume we've gotten an entry on this place, and fine, price went in this direction. Immediately price start going in your direction, here's what you need to do. You just come here and draw a trend line connecting this part and this part here. Okay, once you do that, you need to wait patiently for price, this particular price here. You need to patiently wait for this price here to reverse back to this zone, this trend line you've drawn. You need to wait for market to reverse back to this place. Okay, then you get an entry and you join the continuation. That's the only time you can trade in between your support and your resistance, when the market comes back and touch this your trend line. Don't jump on the trade when the price is actually pushing up. Wait for a retest before you place your entry. Why do you need to wait for a retest? Look at this. Here is a confluence, this particular trend here. You see this particular trend here. We use this as a first confluence. We use this as our second confluence. Okay. Now you have two confluence. Now this market dropped down to this place, and you're getting probably a candlestick pattern or a chart pattern on this place. That will be your third confluence. So now you have a strong signal. When you're hearing trader talking about A plus setup, these are what they call A plus setup, not just jumping in anyhow. You need to treat market as a zone. So this will be your next zone for an entry. Okay. So you wait for the market to get to this place, then you set a trap and you get into the market. Let's assume you miss this place and price gets to this place. Obviously, you don't have to do anything. You already know that you need to drag this zone to this place and wait for market to come back to touch this particular zone here. Okay, that's all you need to do. Just wait for price to come back and touch this particular place. And if this market continue to move up, don't panic. Now, here's what the price can only do. Once it gets to your resistance, price can only go up. Price can only push up to this place and continue upward, or you have a reversal just like this. Or price gets to this place and you have this. So this is the only thing price can do. It's either going to break up like this, or it will reverse down. For you to get a reversal now, once the price gets to your resistance here, just wait for a chart pattern. The same thing we did here, wait for a chart pattern. If this is your chart pattern, let's use this as a simple chart pattern. Most of you are familiar with this chart pattern, but you really don't know when to use this chart pattern. Now wait for something like this. This is an head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is head and shoulder pattern. And you might know how to trade head and shoulder, you might not know how to trade head and shoulder. If you want me to create a video on how I trade head and shoulder, just go to the comment section and type it there. I'm going to create a video on how I do that. But for the purpose of this video, you just need a breakout and a reversal. Okay, you just need a breakout and a reversal for your entry. So this would be our first pattern. Now, in scenario when we have this kind of pattern, let's say this is our pattern now. We have this. Okay, so let's say this is our new pattern. So we're currently experiencing this pattern, this place. Here's what you need to do. Just draw this line here. Draw a line. Draw a trend here, and draw a trend here. Now, wait for this market to break out of this place like this, and you're looking for a retest like this before you get a trade. Okay, you're looking for a retest like this before you get a short position here, and you're risking 10 pips in order to make, let's say you're making 35 pips here. So simple as ABC. Now a quick recap about everything. Do not place any trade until market is on a particular structure, either on your support or on your resistance. If at all you wish to place a trade during a trending market, wait for price to come back to your support trend line and look for a confluence to get into the trade. So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Ezekiel. I'm a financial market analyst. I'm not a guru, I'm on the same journey as you are. This channel, what we do is simple. I share my experience and I share the experience I've gotten from others. So if you're looking for a community of like-minded traders, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're a newbie and you have no prior knowledge on how to trade the financial markets, or you're interested in learning how to trade Forex, check out this playlist. It's an ongoing Forex course at the moment. On the course, I will recommend you start from the first lesson, that will be FX 101, where I explain what Forex is all about. So just follow with the course, and by the end of the day, you should be able to start making money from the financial market. Before you start applying this to your live trade, make sure you go ahead and backtest it. And I wish you best of luck.